Wow! Shark family! Hello, little artists and wonderful parents! Welcome to today's drawing and coloring adventure. I'm so glad you're joining us. I hope you'll enjoy the process and make this a special time for you and your little kids to bond and create something amazing. Let's get started. So let's begin.
Daddy Shark, Daddy Shark. Daddy Shark is here.
First, we draw two circles for the eyes.
So much to do. A family of sharks all in bright hues. Let's color together, you and me, with purple and green and blue by the sea.
Then,
Drawing the sharks
smaller
one by
circle
one with a splash of
inside.
color. We're having fun.
That's right. Well done.
Coloring them all, we're coloring them all, with color 'em all, with color 'em all.
Now we are drawing his face with a curvy line. Do you know who is this? It's Baby Shark. Now we draw his fin.
Is here to play, with markers in hand, he colors all day, drawing and coloring, so much to do. A family of sharks all in bright hues. Let's color together, you and me, with purple and green and blue by the sea.
Next, we draw two small circles for his nose. That's right, his nose. After that, we'll begin drawing his body. And then we will draw his arms and his tail.
Daddy Shark, Daddy Shark, Daddy Shark. Daddy Shark is here to play, with markers in hand, he colors all day.
Now we are going to draw his big smile.
Let's color together, you and me, with purple and green and blue by the sea.
Let's draw his teeth and a tongue. Wow, you are amazing! Great job! On his cheek, he's got a little star. We're done with Baby Shark. Now it's time to draw Daddy Shark. Wow! We'll start by drawing circles for his eyes. Now, let's draw his face and a back fin for him. Here it is. For his belly, we'll draw two curved lines. Amazing job! Two little nose, his eyebrows, and a big happy smile. Daddy Shark has got sharp teeth. Wow, look at them. And we will draw a tongue for him and arms. Finally, we will complete his body and tail. I'm so proud of you. Well done, you did it! Now, whose turn is it? Can you help me? Oh, that's right. We forgot about Mommy Shark. We start with circles for her eyes. Let's draw Mommy Shark's eyes just like we did for Baby Shark and Daddy Shark. Her eyebrows, her eyelashes, here we are going to draw her face. So we need a curvy line, her back fin, this part of her face got a curvy line too, just like Daddy and Baby Shark. After that, we draw 2 little circles for her nose. Now, let's draw her tail. And her arms. You are doing an amazing job. Now let's draw her mouth. Don't forget her lipstick. She's got sharp teeth too, with her tongue.
Baby shark, baby shark.
We did it, kiddos! That's amazing! I can't believe my eyes! Kids, you can make your drawing even more beautiful by darkening the lines.
Now Mommy Shark joins in the fun. With colors and lines, the work's never done. She colors the fins, the tail, and more, creating a shark family we all adore. Daddy Shark, Daddy Shark. Daddy Shark is here to play. Markers in hand, he colors all day. Drawing and coloring, so much to do. A family of sharks all in bright hues. Let's color together, you and me, with purple and green and blue by the sea. Drawing the sharks one by one with a splash of color. We're having fun. Drawing the sharks, making them bright. Coloring them all, we're coloring them all. With color 'em all, with color 'em all. With coloring up the tops, fun. Rocking the shapes, making them bright. Coloring them bright, coloring them all. Mommy Shark, Mommy Shark.
Now it's time to color, little ones. Let's start with Baby Shark. Grab your pencil colors and start coloring. What color should we use for Baby Shark? Blue, green, red, or yellow? That's right, yellow. We are coloring Baby Shark. Our Baby Shark is yellow, the color of the sun. Keep going. Let's color his body. Good job! Now it's time to color his tongue with ink. That's right! For his mouth, we use red. That's right, take your thread and start coloring with me. time to color Daddy Shark. What color should we use for our Daddy Shark? Oh yes, blue. Our Daddy Shark loves the color blue. We are coloring his face with our blue color, just like the ocean where sharks live. Now let's color his body and tail. Great job! I'm so proud of you! Are we missing something? Oh, that's right, we didn't color his tongue. Let's color it pink. And for his inside of the mouth, we are going to use red. Take your time and color with me. We're done with Daddy Shark too. Now let's color Mommy Shark, our lovely and beautiful Mommy Shark. We'll use pink for Mommy Shark. Take your pink marker or crayon or pencil and color with me. Pink is the perfect color for Mommy Shark. She loves it. Our baby shark is yellow with little star on his cheek. Daddy shark is blue and Mommy shark is pink. I love this family. Now it's time to color his tongue with pink. That's right. For his mouth, we use red. Let's use red for her lips. Wow, our drawing looks amazing. Look at the colors. We draw and color. In the final steps, let's add some shading to make it even better. I'm going to shade with my gray color.
Baby shark, baby shark. Baby shark's ready to draw. Markers and colors, oh what a haul. Drawing the shapes, making them bright. Coloring them all with colors so right. Mommy shark, mommy shark. Now mommy shark joins in the fun. Colors and lines, the work's never done. She colors the fins, the tail, and more, creating a shark family we all adore. Daddy shark, daddy shark. Daddy shark is here to play. Markers in hand, he colors all day. Drawing and coloring, so much to do. A family of sharks all in bright hues.
We are almost done. We did it! We now have a powerful shark family with a cute daddy, mommy, and baby shark. If you love drawing and coloring step by step, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for notifications. See you soon!